What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back again today with another Razor video. This is gonna be a short kind of a video. My buddy just picked up this Razor. It's an SX500. We're gonna be modding this plastic body kit. Already modded with a 2000 watt motor and the controller. Everything is ready to go. Everything is hooked up on here, but we're just gonna be customizing this back piece right here. We're gonna be chopping off this little wing, and it makes it much more dirt bikey. So we're gonna be doing that today and painting it as well. So first, we're gonna have to mask off this line, and I think we're just gonna keep this natural line. And I do think we need to keep this bolt area. So we'll draw this line over here right before it, have that all prepped, and just chop that thing off. Let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, pretty simple. I'm just gonna follow that natural line. So I put some blue tape on here just to help me keep that line. I'm just gonna use like a Dremel or one of those things to just trace this and cut it straight. Same on the other side, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so I just used the angle grinder, ate that thing up real fast, chopped it off. Let's see how well we did. It doesn't look that bad, looks pretty good. We still got the mounting point right here. I just need to smooth this out. Now I gotta do the other side and then paint it and see what we got. All right, second piece is out. Now this piece is looking super sexy, super accurate. I'm just gonna go over it right now and sand it down just to make it a bit more smoother, and then we'll get with the painting. Nice. All right, got that part painted. This is what my buddy wanted. He went for this silverish type of color, and we also painted his spring. His girl is gonna be using that bike as well, so we got a little pink accent. Used my little spring trick. If you guys wanna know more, I'll put a link up here on how to paint the Razor. Didn't go into detail this time because I already have a video on how to paint everything. Just this is more on updating or upgrading, modding your body kit. So now we're gonna throw it all back together and I'll show you what it looks like. Look at this thing. Came out so dope. I didn't really show the whole painting process. Like I said, I have a video on that already. If you want, check it out up here. This was more customizing and cutting the fender over here. Completely changed the way the bike looked. On the way, we already did paint this main box engine looking area, the spring, and all of the plastics. But it came out so sick. We also painted the handlebars actually. Super dope, super easy to do. You just need an angle grinder, or I guess you can do it with a Dremel as well, but I prefer the angle grinder. Ate that stuff up real quick. Then we just sanded it down, make it smooth, painted it. It looks like a brand new bike. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys dig this, leave a like down below, subscribe as well. It really helps out the channel. And tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Is this dope or not? Would you do this to your Razor? But that's pretty much it for me. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!